Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 오이냉국, which is cold cucumber soup. So let's get started. It's really hot in Korea. It's like a 34 Celsius, and in my house there's no AC. So it's really hot. And I don't feel like cooking, but I have to cook it. But I really don't want to use the stove because since there's no AC, it makes me sweat a lot. So today, we're not gonna use any heat. Not even sunlight. So it's so refreshing and it's perfect for the summer. So hopefully you guys like it. Whew, it's hot. To get started, we need dry seaweed. Where's my dry seaweed? This is washed dry seaweed. So I'm gonna open the package and we need about 5 to 10 grams of seaweed. Put the dry seaweed in a bowl and cover it with water. I'm using uncut seaweed, but if you're using cut one, you can still use it. And we're gonna soak it for 10 minutes. My mom told me to don't soak over 10 minutes, then I will lose all the good nutrition in the seaweed. So put to the side for only 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the seaweed to soak, we're gonna prepare our veggies. First, we need cucumber and we need some kosher salt. Put the kosher salt on your hand and rub your cucumber. If you're using, this seems inappropriate. Okay, we're cooking, you perverts. Okay, if you want, okay, I'm gonna put the rated R here. Okay, if you wash the cucumber with the salt, it will get rid of the pesticides as well. So you can wash more thoroughly. I can't cook! God! Go away, pervert! Alright, yeah. So rub it well, wash it with the water. After you wash with the salt and water, we're gonna slice it. When you slice it, we need the long pieces, so we're gonna slice diagonally. Now, perpendicularly. Am I being too mathematic? Yeah, but so make sure cut it diagonally. After slicing cucumber, stack them together and press it hard, and we're gonna julienne them. Me! How's my cutting skill? You're fighting! Since you say I was bad, I'll do better this time. Let's ready, set, go. That's a lot of cucumber. After julienning, put to the side. Next, we need 1 hot pepper, but I'm using red because seaweed and cucumbers are green. So red will go so well and good for decoration. Cut the stem and slice thinly. Colors are so pretty. Put to the side. After 10 minutes, get your seaweed and squeeze it. And let all the water out. And place it on a cutting board. We're gonna slice it into the bite-sized pieces. And place it into the empty bowl. We're gonna season the seaweed, so we need half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and mix well. And put to the side. Next, get a big bowl. We need about 600 milliliters of water. 250, 500, 100, which is 600. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of salt. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure mix it well so salt and sugar can dissolve into the water. And we need 6 tablespoons of vinegar. 2, 3, 6. And mix well. Next, we need 3 cloves of minced garlic. After that, put seaweed into the bowl. And put all the cucumber that we sliced into the bowl. And we're gonna decorate with the hot pepper that we sliced. And get some toasted sesame seed. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. There are 2 different ways to eat this dish. One is put this bowl into the fridge and make it cool. Second, you put the ice into the bowl and make it cool. That's it. Our 오이냉국 is all ready to eat. Eating time! Let's sit. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, so fresh. Okay. 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 So cucumber! Just so you guys know, cucumber is not my favorite food. I don't really like eating cucumber. Why did I make this dish? But everyone says it's so refreshing in the summer, so. Okay, let's try. Ooh! No, actually it's good. But can I get some more ice? Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, the ratio of the vinegar, salt, and sugar can be different, depends on your preference. I add 1 more tablespoon of vinegar because I like my food sour and I want to be refreshed, so you can adjust by your preference. Alright. It's so refreshing. It's really sweet and sour, and at the end there's like cucumber, cucumber, and I don't really like the aftertaste, but if you like cucumber you will definitely love it. I like it right before the cucumber is punching my face. Oh my god, it's so icy, it's really cold, and I feel like cucumber is fanning the heat away. It's really refreshing. So let's try the cucumbers. Okay, I'll get the cucumber and a seaweed. That's called cucumber seaweed wrap. So much cucumber! I mean, definitely it's refreshing. The seaweed and the cucumber go so well, and the vinegar helps. It makes it really, really fresh. Like, fresh. Fresh. Like, 상큼하다. 상큼하다. Get what I mean? 상큼하다. You know? It's like 상큼하다. Like you're so hot and you found the lemonade or orange is really cold and you drink it. It's like 상큼하다. If you know what I mean, please comment down below in English. What does it mean? But you get what I mean, right? But you get the feeling? So now every time when I say 상큼하다, that's what it means. It's really refreshing, like I don't know. How can I explain this? Anyway, the point is really good. It's very tangy and sweet and very tasty. So hopefully you can try. If you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. If you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!